You're listening to The Three Pillars of Success, a podcast that inspires people of all walks of life to gain perspective on what it means to succeed. My name is Geraldine Convento, and I'm best known for entrepreneurship, my skills in web presence, and SEO. Thanks for listening. Enjoy the show. Hey y'all, how you doing? It's me, Geraldine, the entrepreneur guide, web, and SEO expert. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of The Three Pillars of Success. And today I have a guest who legit is one of my favorite people in the world. Her name is Kim Lee. And welcome. How are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you, Geraldine. I'm so happy and excited to be here with you.
So we're going to go directly into the questions. Who are you? Where are you from? And what do you do for a living?
My name is Kim Lee. I am the Master Heart Healer. I live here in San Francisco. And what I do as a Master Heart Healer for the last 28 years is I help my students, clients globally who have heartache to heal their heart from betrayal, from grief, from stuck and overwhelmed. I have step-by-step process to help them with heart awakening, to really take them deeper, to connect to the body, the heart, the mind in unity. From that space of oneness within, they heal the heart first and foremost. They raise in a higher frequency. And from that place of higher frequency, they will attract whatever that they desire. Their life become magical.
I love that. Who doesn't want their life to be magical?
Thank you.
What do you do for fun?
For fun, I do a lot of things. I might do hula hoop. I might jump on the trampoline. I walk by the beach. Or sometimes just calling FaceTime my grandchildren. They bring me so much joy. Because with the grandkid, I don't have to do anything. Just watch them on FaceTime. Whatever they done, it just brings me so much joy.
And what does success mean to you?
I look at success in a holistic model that in my health, my own health, happiness, the relationship I have with myself, with my loved ones, and also relationship I have with my students, my clients, and the career, the rewarding career that I am really blessed to be able to live my dream, to touch someone that their life forever change. And also there's the financial health that need to be in place. So I look at it in terms of, look at this 5 level: physical well-being, emotional well-being, mental well-being, spiritual well-being, financial well-being.
Awesome. So what would the 3 pillars of success be for you?
The 3 pillars of success for me is just I'm happy and grateful that I have my health and the relationship I have with my children, with my client, that love, respect we have for each other, and healthy boundary. And number 3 is financially, I feel really blessed that my students pay me with joy, with gratitude, with appreciation. So those are the 3: relationship, health, relationship, and finance.
What roadblocks did you have to overcome on your path to success?
The roadblock I have many, many years ago, the relationship with money. Because from where I come from sometimes from Buddhism teaching, when I took it in the wrong way of selflessness, and money is the root of evil. So from that place, I misunderstood a lot in terms of selflessness, that I didn't know I have to have the foundation of self-love before I can give. And in terms of money, the root of evil, I disagree. I guess I believe that in the old days, because my ancestors, they come from wealth. And then when my mom generation, they didn't know how to maintain and grow the wealth. The family break apart because they fight over it. By the time our generation comes, there's nothing left in terms of generational wealth. So we have to start all over. I have to clear the wrong mindset I have around money. And as I heal my relationship with money, now money mean to me is the medium of exchange. It's the tool to allow me to live wholly, completely, and take care of my human needs, to have the joy, the pleasure, or whatever I choose to use with money. It brings to buy more love, more joy in my daily experiences. Money is not evil. Money is a tool. Actually, it's an amplifier. If we are a good person, we want to do good deeds for humanity, we need to have money to achieve those dreams and objectives. Without money, we cannot move far. We cannot take care of ourselves, let alone to contribute to humanity. So that's the roadblock that I have to overcome to heal the relationship with money.
Self-love is absolutely the first thing that you need, even before considering all the wealth that you can generate. And another point that you brought up is generational wealth, how the concept of money or the relationship with money is transferred from one generation to another. Oftentimes it's absent as a result of our own discomfort with how we deal with money, and it becomes almost a taboo subject, or we're completely told kind of like a dictatorship how to manage our money, but don't understand the background behind that. I know for myself growing up, my parents were very strategic about how they taught me about money. I knew a lot about money growing up, but I didn't understand why I need to save money and manage it in a particular way. Those were lessons I had to learn for myself. It's so important. You can use it as an amplifier to accomplish everything that you would like to in your life and also help others. It's very important information. Our last question is there any advice that you would like to give to anyone looking to achieve success?
The advice I would suggest is look at who you are, your value, your desire, whatever the desire that you want, because the success means different things for different people. For instance, if someone live a full life, now they don't have the health. So their focus, success is to have healthy body, they can live longer. For those who have broken relationship, they might longing for the love, the respect, and related to their loved one. For those of us aspire to have financial wealth, we need to know exactly what we want, why we want it. When we have more of it, does it bring us joy or does it bring us burden? So when we're really clear in what we want, number one, be clear. Number two is commitment. Number three is taking action. In taking action, we have to have the belief in taking action that we will get there to our target, our success, whatever we choose, and continue to stay focused with your commitment and not to give up. Because as long you give up, you fail. But if you continue, in my case, since I was 3 years old, I just love people. And my dream was to have a magic wand to really ding dong people to make them happy. That was my 3 years old dream. Looking back, I'm almost 60 years old now. I lived my dream. I never give up, even though it's almost cost my life. So thank you, Geraldine, for this powerful question. I love and appreciate you. And thank you for having me today.
Yes, I love and appreciate you too. I just want you to know, Kim, you've made such a huge difference in my life. And for those of you who aren't aware of how to find Kim or who she is, she's on YouTube, she's on all of the social media platforms, and she facilitates some rooms on Clubhouse as well. I highly recommend you cross paths with Kim because she is a master heart healer and she'll bring you just so much joy through the instruments that she plays, the words that she speaks, and all the different teachings.
It's my honor to be here with you, with the audience. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, everybody. So that was today's episode of the 3 Pillars of Success. Remember to follow our podcast on your preferred platform and tell your friends about us because it's the way for everyone to be inspired and keep moving toward your own successes throughout your life. Have a great day. Bye-bye.